Hello, everyone. Today we'll be completing the fourth and final challenge of the Superbadge Advanced Move for Agentforce. Let's go to the challenge. So from here, this challenge starts. Implement customer sentiment-based actions. So first, we have to create a flow, messaging session conversation flow. Go to the flows, click on new flow, select template triggered flow, set up the input, automatic input, select the template type, record summary template capability, select the object, messaging session. Now set up an element. Uh, Here we have to add an action. Get conversation transcript. I'll copy the label. Go on the flow. Click on this. Add element. Add an action. Search for get conversation transcript record action. Get conversation transcript record for action. Select this one. Provide the label. Provide the description. Select the messaging ID from template input for this record ID. From template input messaging session. Scroll down. Scroll down to the messaging ID. So, system. Next, we have to next add a prompt instruction element with a label. This label. And copy this label. Go to the flow. Just click on add element. Add prompt instruction. Provide the label. Copy the description. Provide the description here. Click here. Click on get conversation transcript element and click on this conversation transcript. Okay. Just we have to add. Just close this. Click on save. Now provide the label to the this one is the name. Provide the description as mentioned. Click on save and activate. Now we have to create a prompt template to summarize the messaging session. Just go to the or click on prompt builder from setup. Create a new prompt template. Select the template type as record summary. Just provide the label. Provide the description. Select the object messaging session. Click on next. Now copy the prompt given here. Paste it here. Now replace the placeholder given here. Here we have to provide the snapshot of messaging session. So remove this one. Click on insert resource. Click on messaging session. Select this record snapshot. Also remove this placeholder for flow that we have created. Now click on insert resource. Click on flow. Select the send messaging session transcript flow. Okay, this is done. Just click on save and then activate. Now the prompt template is done. Now we have to create a flow that identifies customer sentiments. So just go to the setup, click on new flow, select the auto launched flow no trigger. Okay, we have to add an element get records, copy the label, just provide the label, copy the description, select the object messaging service, sorry, messaging session. Here messaging id is equal to new variable messaging session id. So go and create this. Here we have to select the messaging session id should be equal to a new variable that will create here. Select the variable, click the pay name and provide as messaging session id. Copy the description as given here. Provide the description to this variable. Select the data type as text available for input. Done. Close this. Next, we have to add an action that calls the from template. Summarize the so messaging session that we have created already. So let's copy the label, go to the flow, add an action, search for the from template name which we have created. Summarize this messaging session. This one. Select the from template. Provide this label. Provide the description. The action should summarize the entire message. Store the output in the customer sentiment. Okay. So here, get record. Select this messaging get record and select the entire source. Now click on this manual assign variable. Here, you have to create a new variable. Click on new source. Select variable. Give the name as customer sentiment. Provide the description. Select the data as text and click on available for output. Click on done. Okay, close this and save the look. Provide the label as given above. Provide the description. Just click on save and then activate the flow. I'm not saving it and activating it because I already created one. Now we will create a topic, sentiment analysis. So for that, we'll open our agent. SO agent. Open in builder. I'll just show you how to create. I have already created the topic. So let me show you. So you just have to create an click on new topic. On new topic, click on next. Enter the label. This one. Provide the description. Provide the scope. Provide this instruction. Click on add instruction again and provide the second instruction and just click on next and click on finish. Once you click on finish, you'll be able to see the topic here. Just open the topic, click on this topic section, and then you have to create a new agent action with this flow. I will show you how to create. You just click on new, create new action, select the type as flow, select the sentiment handler flow, customer sentiment handler flow, click on next, provide any loading text. So here select require input. Here you have to select show in conversation and finish. Click on finish. You'll be able to see the top action here. Now your work is done.